In this video, I'll guide you through how to find all your subscribed workshop items and content in Steam. If you've downloaded mods, maps, skins, or other community-created content through the Steam Workshop and want to view or manage everything you've subscribed to, you're in the right place. Steam makes it easy to access all of your workshop subscriptions once you know where to look. Stay with me until the end, because the tutorial will begin in just a moment. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't already installed, download it from the official website and install it before continuing. Once the application launches, click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully, then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage where all of your games and community features are available. From the top navigation bar, click on the Community tab. This section is where Steam users can interact with one another, browse discussions, discover guides, and access the Steam Workshop for supported games. Once you're on the community page, locate and click on Workshop to continue. Inside the workshop, look for the option labeled Your Workshop Files. This section contains all of your personal workshop activity, including content you've created, favorited, and subscribed to. Click on it to open your personal workshop page. Now it's time to find all of your subscribed content. On the Your Workshop Files page, select the Subscribed Items option. This will display a complete list of every workshop item you've subscribed to across your supported Steam games. Depending on the games you play, this list may include mods, custom maps, character skins, user-created scenarios, and many other types of community content. If you have a large number of subscriptions, browsing through this page makes it much easier to review everything you've added over time. It's also a convenient place to manage your subscriptions whenever you want to keep your workshop content organized. For an even more structured view, you can also open the Collections section. Collections group multiple workshop items together, making it easier to browse related content or manage bundles of mods you've subscribed to. This is especially useful if you regularly install multiple workshop items for the same game. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly find all of your subscribed Steam Workshop items and collections, making it much easier to organize and manage your community content whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming.